everyone. We are at ZOLLER India. I came here to have an interaction with the dynamic personality Mr. Amit Salunkhe, but here the entire scenario is different. The whole team is working and all set for the IMTEX 2023 exhibition. So let's hear from them what they are having to share with us. Amit sir, can you come here? The IMTEX is just 2 weeks away. How are the preparations going on?
See, you can see right behind us or around us that is full of the machines. So we are going with a full energy with our full team and with a lot of new innovations. We are going to display our all new tool balancing machine, power shrink machine. Also we are going to display our tooling solutions. So you can see here that all the things has been packed and we are ready to hit on the floor.
Are there any new innovations you're going to exhibit from ZOLLER side at IMTEX? What can we expect?
Yes, we have all new products. Our tool balancer, as I said earlier, we have all new power shrink machine, which is really an enterprise package for our customers. And certainly we have our ID chip technology, which is also a new innovation from ZOLLER for a manufacturing industry. So definitely our viewers or our customers who is going to visit IMTEX, they can expect great measure from ZOLLER.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us beautiful insights. So let's hear from the team of ZOLLER. Let's go. Hello, sir. Excuse me. Can you please introduce yourself?
Myself, Dhananjay Angokar, and I am TMS product specialist. We are doing packing for IMTEX. We issue in IMTEX.
Hello, sir. Can you please introduce you?
Yeah, myself Pratik Kumar Kodasra. I am working as a service and application engineer since 5 years.
So you're working here for IMTEX, right?
Yes.
Can you please share your experience?
Yeah, it's a nice experience to just pick up all the inspection machines and our new products also. So, and yes, thank you very much. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Can you introduce yourself and tell us what's going on here?
Okay, I am Abhishek Todkar Mali. I am looking for TMS and technology automation products as a product manager in ZOLLER India. Yeah, as you can see here, a lot of stuff is going on. So our team, ZOLLER team, is putting their heart and soul to packing everything, the technology we are going to deliver at IMTEX show. As you see, they are doing all this for our customers. So yeah, your visit is a most awaiting thing right now. So you can come to visit us at IMTEX show and you can see the latest technology in tool management solutions, in automation and presetting various things. So you can see here.
Thank you so much. We'll definitely see you and your customers will definitely meet you at IMTEX.
We're definitely looking forward to it. Yeah.
Progress never stops at ZOLLER, and ZOLLER is going to be there at IMTEX.
All for booth 132. Expect great measures.